What do people love most about living in Sage Creek? It's the fact that it's a warm and welcoming community, that there's kids at every second house. There's a school within walking distance and 2 new ones being built with all your amenities super close by. And you can still get a house for great value. Like this one, 194 Snowberry Circle. As you pull up, beautiful curb appeal on this Kensington build with a double attached garage, a great mudroom for the kids to throw all their stuff in. And as you step through, entering past the kitchen, you see these huge windows letting in so much summer sunshine. I'm Ty Mitchell from Real Broker. I want you to take a tour of this house, then slide into my DMs and let me know if it'll work for your family.